But if you're walking around with yeast infections, itchy cooch, dry cooch, menopausal cooch, this is great.
Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks back with you today with another awesome video. Now, in this video, I wanted to bring to you a brand new product that I just bumped into. And this video is more for us women. So, fellas, this is not for you today. I could join you on the next video. But this is talking to us ladies. And I don't know if I'm new to the party or whatever the case is. Maybe I'm just late, all right? But I found this wonderful product, and it's a feminine detox. Now, it's not those yoni balls or anything like that, because honestly, you shouldn't be inserting anything up in your, in your cavities. You shouldn't be inserting anything. But this is a wonderful supplement that you take. And it's a feminine balance complex. Yeah, so this is a detox and a cleanse with probiotic and aloe. It's advanced formula with 11 potent ingredients, supports healthy intestinal flora, and also supports immune system health. This is a 60 capsule bottle that I purchased on Amazon. Okay, and it's an intimate health. Okay, it's made by NUTRIBULLET, and it's an intimate health. Now, it's 2 capsules per day, preferably with meal. The only thing that I see is a problem for some of you is if you're allergic to nuts, like black walnuts and caprylic acid. Never heard of it, okay? And if you're pregnant or nursing, you shouldn't be taking this. So all of you ladies who are still breastfeeding, this is not for you. But this is wonderful. This is a feminine. Now let me just give you some of the things that I've did my research on. I just started this today, and it's non-GMO, and it says here that it's maximum strength. It's a dietary supplement. Now what this does is this restores the balance of your health. So it helps with the overgrowth of bacteria, urinary tract infection, candidiasis, bacterial vaginosis, yeast, and fungal infections. 11 all-natural and powerful ingredients. Contains oregano, leaf extracts, caprylic acid, lactobacillus. Lord Jesus. Okay, it has a lot of different words in there. Okay, it has aloe leaf gel, anise seeds, black walnut hulls, herb powder, wormwood leaf powder, reishi mushrooms. It also supports your health and fine relief. The natural dietary body cleanser supplement has been formulated for prevention of many vaginal issues like bacteria, vaginosis, candida, albicans, yeast infections, supporting healthy intestinal function and bladder support. It also detoxifies your digestive system with its many herbal antifungal agents. Regain perfect balance again in your body. So it does a whole lot for your body, strengthening your vaginal area and all that goes on down there. It also balances your pH and reinforces your health. It says our organic candida supplements will help restore neutral pH levels to your body, effectively reduce feminine odor, vaginal discharge, menopause. Oh! Menopause symptoms, girls, ladies. Okay. Where was this when I needed it? Let me put my glasses on. Got my attention now. So let's go back. Balance your pH and reinforce your health. Our organic candida supplement will help restore neutral pH levels to your body, effectively reduce female odor, okay, vaginal discharge, menopause symptoms, dryness, ladies, itchy, and yeast overgrowth. Okay? Take an easy and clean control of your intimate health. This is really a good find, ladies. This is really a good find. So if you've been suffering from a lot of yeast infections, bladder issues, candida, because I noticed I've been getting a lot of questions regarding candida on my videos, whether or not the drinks or whatever helps with that. And I really don't know as far as the drinks. But this right here is something that you can control. Like say if you're having a lot of overgrowth of stuff going on, bacterial overgrowth like it said, where it's causing you itchiness, dryness, all of those things, and odor. This helps to neutralize and level the pH level in your body. When your pH level is neutral, it kills whatever is trying to fester and grow inside your body. Infections cannot live in a neutral pH level in your body. If it's acidic, then infections and diseases and all sorts of other stuff can breed in your body, causing you to get sick, causing your toxin levels, your body to get polluted with toxins. Well, this is something that combats that thing. Now, it's not something that you use in replacement of going to the doctor, getting a real physical diagnosis of whatever the situation is. But this helps you as far as symptoms and things that you've been going through naturally. So over time, you will see your body change. Like, it's going to get rid of whatever toxins that's in your body that's causing your body to have those odors. Because, some of us, some ladies, around that time of the month, not even that time of the month, because that's normal stuff. But if you're walking around with yeast infections, itchy cooch, dry cooch, menopausal cooch, this is great. It's made by NUTRIBULLET. And don't ask me how I just bumped into this on the internet. I saw a video on YouTube and I said, wow, a feminine detox, feminine detox. I've seen videos on that yoni ball, and then I heard about how these ladies, that was not even necessary, because you don't do that. You don't do that. But this is 11 potent ingredients, and it's all natural, and it's a detox for us ladies, a feminine detox that you take in the multivitamin. Now it says you take 2 capsules every day with food, so you can, and the capsules are kind of big, and they smell herbally. Ooh, you smell the oregano. Oh wow, you really smell the oregano. But yeah, wonderful cleansing agent for for us females, okay? And for us who are going through menopause, all right? Whose body is, if the chemical balances are off. When you're going through menopause, you're going through a lot of different changes in your body chemically. That hot and cold sweat, the dryness, the itchiness, lack of desire. This also helps to boost up the libido, okay? So it helps us. It helps us, especially when you're of a certain age and your body is changing, all right? These are natural things that, we need to check out and do our own research and see what's good and what's best for us to improve our health, to improve our well-being in life, to improve our health, to accelerate that. So yes, this is probiotic, which is something that we need in our everyday. Some probiotics, and it also has aloe vera. It supports immune system health. How can't go any better than this, okay? You can't get any better. This is winter season coming. This is winter season. So cold seasons, okay? It's coming. So this is helping you to boost up your immune system. So this way it's not breaking down and is susceptible to infections and diseases that can breed in your body normally because you're in an acidic level in your body. So this helps. And depending also on certain foods that you eat can cause us to, have an overgrowth. Like it says, over time it has an overgrowth of bacterias in our body. Now this also says that it's a powerful cleanser that can help all women combat and improve their intestinal, immune, and vaginal health while combating fungus, bacteria overgrowth, urinary tract infections, candidiasis, BV, bacterial vaginosis, yeast, and fungal infections. Okay, this is awesome, you guys. Feminine Balance Complex, Detox and Cleanse. And let me see, I think I paid like $25 for this bottle of 60 capsules. And I just started taking it today, you know, to see how it works, see what it does, and how it's going to affect my body. If I'm going to see any improvements, I don't know. But I guess I'll do a review on this product. I'm going to see exactly how it affects my body, if I see any changes in it. What are the changes? What are the improvements that I'm seeing? And I'll get back to you and let you know exactly the breakdown and exactly how this is going to affect you. But also, don't forget to do your own research on anything that I present to you. Yeah, alright? So yeah, you guys, this is an awesome find, and I just wanted to, you know, do a short video on this product because it is a review that I'm doing, and just to bring it to your attention if you haven't even seen this before. I'm sure they probably even sell this in our local pharmacy, so you can check there. If not, if you can't find it at your local CVS or Walgreens or whatever local pharmacies, then try at Amazon. I'm also going to list down below the link in the description bar where you can purchase this if you're interested in trying it. Now, it's not going to hurt your body, but it also states that if you're pregnant, nursing, that you should not take it, or if you have if you're allergic to nuts, you shouldn't take this. But yeah, always do your own research. Don't just believe your sis right here, you know. Don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself, all right? So I will get back to you on another video and let you know what this is actually going to do for you. All right? So thank you so much, you guys, for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that like button down below, thumbs it up. Let me know that you like the video, and if you want to see more of these wonderful health vibes, these health finds, I got them coming. Okay, I got you. All right, your girl is going to check it out and present it to you. But yeah, if you want to see more of these type of videos, like, comment, subscribe down below. Turn on your notification bell. Turn it and set it to all. All right, and this way you will know when I'm dropping another video. So if your notification bells are not set to all, you will not know what's going on. All right, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell and set it to all. Personalize it to all, and you will never miss another one of my wonderful, informative videos on these wonderful finds, especially for us ladies and women who are going through menopause. Okay. All right, y'all. So until the next video, don't forget, I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.